right, so today is registration day. Feeling creative in here. The convention center is just across the street from the botanical garden.
How cute, a little koi pond.
And other interesting sights. We're a few blocks away from Lincoln Road, a stylish outdoor pedestrian mall with lots of shops and restaurants. And we can walk to the beach. Turns out this is the place to be, Miami Beach Convention Center. And it's all thanks to Adobe MAX Miami Beach.
So we've got the opening keynote ready to kick this off.
We're hearing all the updates from Adobe this year. It's been busy.
That's awesome. You like that?
That's amazing.
So many announcements. I'm really excited about all of it. All of it. Now we've got so much to do. Lunch, sessions.
We're going to start by just exploring a frame. Can you imagine what it would be like to enhance it with Gen AI?
I'm so inspired. That was amazing.
So cool.
So many great ideas in there.
This one is like awesome.
We're having a little reception here in the creative part. It's hopping. There's lots of food, lots of drink. All our bases are covered.
And just like that, we're rolling into day 2.
Day 2 keynote. We've got our whole group right over here.
And no surprise, the main stage session is jam-packed with inspiration and wisdom. Now let's head over to the creative park, the expo hall.
This way, this way, this way. There's a lot to do.
There are so many cool vendors,
Do they know me or what?
experiences,
Wow, I'm super impressed with this area. As you walk by it, the black and white turns into color. Magic!
you can make a t-shirt, you can get a tattoo.
Creativity lighter. So cool. I think I would put it somewhere secret so nobody knows it's there.
Merch, all the things. And of course, you can talk to your friends at Adobe.
All right, it's time for Adobe Sneaks. We're gonna hear about all the latest, coolest up and coming things.
We stock up on popcorn and candy and let the show begin. Look at this crowd. We are ready to hear about a world of possibilities and works in progress.
How does he do that?
We are just wowed by all the cool ideas.
Are you impressed?
That is amazing.
I love it. So much innovation. That was awesome.
That was incredible.
Sneaks.
So impressed.
You did not disappoint.
We made it to Bash. Now we're looking for all our friends.
Of course.
Ooh, oh, that's Botanic Gardens is open.
Oh, what a cool location. I can't believe our party is spilling into the Botanic Gardens.
I got passion fruit margarita ice cream.
Espresso martini.
Okay, we've got to go check out the doors.
These are kind of cool. Ta-da.
All right, now I feel like we're properly accessorized. You can never have too much pink, and the flamingos are flying. We danced the night away and the energy is high.
This is cool.
So many memories. But that's not all. We have one more day at Max.
I love all the color around here.
Just one more chance to do all the things. Make connections, brush up on the tools.
That's a wrap, but the screen is over.
But just because the conference is over doesn't mean the adventure is.
We're getting on a yacht!
Exploring pre and post conference is where the party's at.
What a gorgeous night! We're here with Adobe. We're doing a little VIP reception on a yacht. You know, that's how we roll around here. All right, here we go. Oh, this is where the party's at. We've got a dance party going on inside. We've got a full-on dinner downstairs. We've got the rooftop. This is so cool. We're going through the bridge right now. Everything's just glowing at this hour. This is totally the way to see Miami.
Why not come to the conference and stay for the adventure?